So we're here in Yeep's hide and seek. Just got the game, so I'm excited to see how you. Excited to see how you play it. Seems like it's gonna be a pretty fun game. Don't know what you do in this game, but oh shoot, oh god, I don't like this. Look like a little Muppet. Oh, cat. Oh, pins? Oh wait, I know what I want to do. Just gonna quickly grab these. Now you're pin-headed. Here, let me oh, sorry. Just kidding. I'm not. Haha. Pin-eyed bros shooting lasers. Oh. Wait, so we use like just pillows in this game? Oh. Oh shoot. Well, I guess we just I guess for the time being you just watch me struggle to put this in. Okay, cool. Really cool. Oh. Why don't we just like take this apart? Wait, can I just... Well, that was cool.
Yeah, it's annoying for how much do you want to do? Like right here?
Okay, so...
No, I have a question,
we're in like a public lobby currently.
Pick that up. Thank you. Pick that up. Jump off of that. I need... Yo, pink.
I think we're
When you
like
pick this up,
animals in this game.
just
Like a
grab it.
market.
I think I know how to get there. I'm just trying to do
Playground. Oh, okay. So let's check out the playground real quick.
I do.
Don't
friending
monkey making or Ryan the King. Don't let
I'm
monkey
friending
making or Ryan the King.
everybody.
No, he was griefing.
No.
I can kick him. I sent requests to everybody. You didn't send a request to me. You didn't send a request to me. Which one's you?
That's me. That's me. Griefing's life. Sorry.
Come on.
Okay, cool.
Griefing is life. Let's go blue house.
Aw, that's kind of cute. I like it.
Because then you get to see little kids like, oh, what?
Oh, Seekers win. Okay.
Let me say
Griefing is life. Puffy.
Oh my Rizzler.
Take that. Take that.
Give me a umbrella and a sword. Could someone give me an umbrella and a sword? Could someone give me an umbrella and a sword?
no, you don't need it.
Hey,
Yes, I do.
like pink.
Thank you.
I
do
think.
want it.
Hey, dude, do you know how to play this game?
Could someone give me a sword and an umbrella? I want a sword and an umbrella. Could someone give me a sword and an umbrella?
Pick it
Do we like? No. Are we like meant to have umbrellas in this game?
Wait, guys.
Hey, gorilla. Pick that up. Here. Want a bread?
Could someone give me an umbrella
Pick up the damn
and a
ball.
sword? Could someone give me an umbrella and a sword?
Pick up the ball.
I don't know what these people are talking about. Like, pick up the ball.
Hey! Stop!
Oh, sure, that's fun.
Pick up the ball. Pick up this ball.
We don't like your color. You have black skin. That's just
Cheese.
Oh, here.
What, is this cheese?
Here.
Could someone give me?
I'm still
Could someone give me a
Damn.
sword? Could someone give me a sword
Fourth grade
and
and
an umbrella?
fifth.
Oh my god, we get it. You want a sword and an umbrella, Jesus Christ.
You destroying it.
Who else does
Oh
want
yeah,
an
I was a part of
umbrella?
destroying it too.
Here, pick this up.
Can you take my thing? Can you
I
take my
want a
thing?
sword and an umbrella.
Here, you
You
take
don't even
my
you're too poor to even buy something.
We're
No,
trying to
sword and umbrella.
You're a part of the Skybase,
take
weren't
my
you?
thing.
If you were part of the attacking the Skybase,
Could someone give me an umbrella and a sword?
Oh my god, we get it.
Could I get an umbrella and a sword?
Jeebus McWeebus. We get it.
Do you have a sword and umbrella?
No, I don't.
Well, I want a sword and an umbrella for me
Well,
to
I
do
don't have a sword and umbrella. Here.
You should have saved your stuff.
Can you pick this up?
Any extra
Hey
Ha!
That's what it shows.
you.
But in like 5th grade, it doesn't really matter.
Hey you.
Bro, can you take my item?
So we checked out the playground. The playground's pretty cool. I like the playground. Oh shoot.
Remember, you're gonna like these. You're gonna like these.
Hey. Hey you. Pick this up. Pick this up. Pick it up.
Okay.
That worked.
There's a.
I doubted this. Oh, it worked. It
I
worked.
wonder how you like join different modes. Cause I kind of don't want to play in an
Hey, wait,
infection
hey, bro,
lobby
I wanna
right now.
tell you something.
But
Gorilla Man.
I got Wild 1 and build a map pointer.
Can you take my item?
Take
Is
my
there
block
no
now,
code on
please.
this? Is there no code on the promo code?
I don't
Oh yeah, use code Yeti.
No, that expired.
Reason,
That expired.
the only reason this motherfucker actually won
Yeti
was
already
because he did
expired.
Oh shoot!
Here, try putting it in and see if
It is.
It is. Other people
Wow.
said it's expired.
Okay, I guess we're in the mines right now.
I tried it with this random person.
What happened
Okay.
Time to get out of
to
here.
Yeti?
No wait, can you give us drums?
Nothing.
There we go.
There's something that'll pop up in the screen.
I heard that you can like get umbrella in this game.
No, but I have a mom.
Does anybody have drums?
Also, like you can build with people. That's pretty cool.
Hey, do you have drums?
Guess we're just gonna go this way. I kind of want to go back.
Does anybody have
Hey
drums?
guys, do you guys know how to like get back to the normal lobby area? Cause I'm new to this
Guys,
game.
does anybody have drums? Hey, were you on my server?
Okay, time to get out of here. Okay, we're heading back to the playground. The playground might have something.
Bro, take my thing. Take my thing.
Okay, so I guess we're heading.
Anybody listen?
Hey! Does anyone have drums?
I am enemies. But not accepted for me. I am Paw Patrol. Kill me for 1 second.
Woo-hoo. Okay. Woo. Oh shoot! Oh!
Selfie stick.
Whoa! This is actually kind of cool. Oh shoot! Oh god! Oh, whee! This is actually really cool. Oh my god! I really like it. Woohoo!
Did someone take my item? Hey you, Yeti. Yeti, can you take this? I'll take your item. Anybody have drums? You just put it in your stomach. Yes, now you find more people.
Okay, so I guess we're going up.
I'm just gonna... Whoa.
I like this one.
Frozen.
Oh no, can you give me another one?
Anybody want this? Anybody want this claw?
Who has steak? Who has
Oh, whoa, whoa! That's cool.
Anybody want coffee? Where do I start? freeze here.
Where am I?
If you hit it 3 times, it's frozen. Where do I start? Hey, what's the coffee? What's the coffee?
Coffee?
No, what's the free item? Hey,
Oh, shoot.
okay, you want free item? Here, take my coffee. Take my coffee.
No, you take. I'll take your coffee if you take my thing.
Okay. Go with me. Move here.
Okay.
Oh, it feels so realistic.
Oh, wait. Move here. Can't hear us.
Oh, God.
Free cool. I'll give you this coffee.
Okay.
Give me this coffee.
Ow!
I'll give you this coffee and then here's
Guess
my
it just
thing.
leaves you back here.
The sliding dog.
Oh! Can someone get me a firework? Okay. Guys, I have a question.
I don't want to be more on the inside.
Can you take this item? And I'll take yours. Oh wait, that's my last name. Now. Can I have that?
Gosh.
That item, please? Oh, well, you can beat these. Do you want a bomb? No. I already have bombs. Can someone get me fireworks?
Yeah, I'm gonna end the recording for now. Okay. Yeah, this game is like really cool. Go download it. It's called
That's how
Weeks.
everyone should have items.
Yeah, I gotta use the bathroom.